Samuel. We are waiting for our Honorable Education Minister. We are at his chamber. Today we are at chamber of Honorable Education Minister Dr. Pego. Here our Honorable President and Secretary and civil advisors and all distinguished our Central Committee's members are represented here. We are waiting for Honorable Education Minister. After some time, we will meet our Education Minister. We hope the discussion will be fruitful. Thank you. Samuel. We are waiting for our Honorable Education Minister. We are at his chamber. Today we are at chamber of Honorable Education Minister Dr. Pego. Here our Honorable President and Secretary and civil advisors and all distinguished our Central Committee's members are represented here. We are waiting for Honorable Education Minister. After some time, we will meet our Education Minister. We hope the discussion will be fruitful. Thank you.